Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to take an existing logo, like this logo that I created earlier, and convert it into an SVG format. So this works pretty well in Photopea if you start with a big image. And in our previous example, when we created this logo, we actually did start at a big size. This is going to work for this image. If you have an image that's low quality, low resolution, we did have an earlier video explaining how to blow it up and make it something that would work easier when vectorizing. Okay, so to convert this into a vector, you first have to click on the layer. So I'm gonna click on the layer, and then you're gonna go to Image and Vectorize Bitmap. And as you can see, you have on the left you have your original, okay, and then to the right you have your vector. Okay, so it's pretty clean. It did a good job. And basically, since we only use two colors, I'm gonna go ahead and just put two colors down. Maybe put more colors to keep it. There you go. There you go. 5 colors. That's fine. And then, okay. So now this is actually now not pixels anymore. It's an actual path. So now that we have this as vector, we're going to actually take this and save it now in a vector format. So that's going to be SVG for us. Okay. So that's pretty much it. So you just click on the layer. You go to vectorize bitmap, and then file, save, export as SVG. And I went ahead and selected those settings, and you should be good. And if we open up gravit.io and open this file, this SVG file, we will see that in fact this is a vector file. Okay, thank you, and stay tuned for the next lesson.